How to download Warzone on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can download Warzone on your PC, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to download Warzone on PC, we need to do this with the help of an application called Steam. So Steam is basically one of the popular game store applications for your PC that is most widely used across the nations and the world. And I will make sure to drop the official download link for Steam below, so make sure to go ahead and download and install Steam. After you open up Steam over here, you'll be able to see a whole myriad of games. Now to download Warzone, in the search box all you have to do is go ahead and basically type in Warzone. In this case, once you type in Warzone, you're going to see different versions of Warzone. So you have the Warzone 2100 for free, you have Warzone Call of Duty for $2.99, you have for free $5.49 as well, depending upon the version of Warzone that you want. Just go ahead and select the specific or the particular game here, and then just scroll down, select this option called add to cart, make sure to purchase the game properly, and then after it's done, the download process will begin for yourself. So this way you can go ahead and download Warzone on Warzone 2 on your PC. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.